Welcome back, little learners. Today's story is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. One day, she walked into the forest. She found a small house. It was a house of the three bears. Goldilocks went inside. On the table, she saw 3 bowls of porridge. She tasted the first bowl. Too hot. She tasted the second bowl. Too cold. She tasted the third bowl. Just right. And she ate it all. Then she saw 3 chairs. The first chair was too big. The second chair was too hard. The third chair was just right. But crack, it broke. Next, Goldilocks went upstairs. She found 3 beds. The first bed was too hard. The second bed was too soft. The third bed was just right. She fell asleep. Soon, the 3 bears came home. "Someone ate my porridge," said Baby Bear. "Someone sat in my chair. Someone is sleeping in my bed." Goldilocks woke up. She saw the 3 bears. She jumped out of bed and ran away. And she never came back again. Bear family lived happily in the forest. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.